Hey guys, I'm Guy. Today I will be surviving in the wild desert to show you how to do it if you are in this situation. The desert is a formidable place, but I am more scary. Let's do this. Okay, so we're out here in the wild and it is very hot and open as you can see. If I don't find food, shelter, and most importantly water before sunset, then I might be in trouble. Hey guys, look over there. That's a wild cat. The best way to fight a wild beast is to have no strategy at all. I'm going in for the food. Let's do this. Secured our supper. Okay guys, so after traversing the desert for an hour I've come to a realization that there is no water around here at all. I must find some water ASAP or else I might even have to drink my own piss. I've come to the conclusion that there is no water around. I didn't want to have to do this on this episode, but I guess I'll have to drink my own piss. Anything to survive in the wild. Don't try this at home. Okay, so we have my piss in this water bottle. Now there's only one thing left to. If there's one thing you should know out here in the wild. I thought I heard a snake. Haha. If there's one thing you should know out here in the wild, it's that you must do anything to stay alive. Unreal. It tastes disguising, but it should help me last. Okay guys, so we have found a cave to serve as my shelter for the night. I've lit a bonfire that will provide me warmth and help me cook this Kit Kat. I'm going to eat. I'll see you in a bit. Hey, it's a new day in the desert. My helicopter ride will be here soon, but the boredom is getting to me. You won't believe what I just found. A wild phone that will provide me entertainment if I tame it. You know the drill. I can tell this guy is a feisty one. I caught it. Let's go. So I'm now waiting on my helicopter that will bring me home after this journey in nature. This phone will provide me with entertainment as I wait for my helicopter to arrive. As I wait, let's play. Guys, I can hear my ride. It was fun out here in the wild. I'll see you guys next time.